If you see, I put this interface in area 1. Same thing I will do the other interface also area 1. Then you can check the other route also you will get here. After some time you will have the 20.0 also. We have another solution also. You can do virtual link, but you don't have virtual link in your syllabus. We can do virtual link, so it will start working, but I don't want to make more complex. That's why what I done here, just I remove this area. I put the same area whatever they have. They have area 1, so I put area 1 only with the same color. Example, they are using yellow, so here with this one I put yellow here like this, and they are using this color, so I put this. So same area we are using like that. So clear, right? Or any confusion? After that, routes are coming here. If I show you, I will save the router here. I will save the configuration in the router, and you have the routes. Everything is okay. If you go here and do here IP DHCP, you will get the IP from the DHCP. Our DHCP server is failed. We need to do troubleshooting why it is not working for DHCP.
Battery full takeout.
I think DHCP we configure here, right? In R4. Let me check. Do we configure or not? IP show run. Yeah, here we configure for VLAN 30, VLAN 40, and we have sub interface also here. We have 0 by 1.30 40. So DHCP should work here. Why it is not working? Because in this switch still we did not configure. That's why it is not working. In this switch also you need to do the configuration. So what configuration you need to do here? You need to do enable config t host name sw2. You have VLAN 30, name is what name we give? Sales. VLAN 40, name is what name you will give? Marketing. And then we have interface F0 by 1 switch in interface which is connecting to router. We will configure their trunk, and after that you will have interface F0 by 2. Okay, here this will be switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 30. And then another interface you have, we can write interface what we have, range F0 by 3, 0 by 4, 3 by 4, switch port mode access, and then switch port access which VLAN, that is VLAN 40. Then it will start working. Show IP interface brief. All the interface is up. Show VLAN brief. This one we have 3 interface, and show interface trunk. So you have trunk also. All VLANs allow. So now if you do, it will start working. If we go here, if I click this, we are getting the IP. Okay, for this machine also we are getting, and for this machine also we are getting the IP. And now you can ping from this computer to this computer, it will work. So 40.12, so you can ping from here to here 40.12, ping 192.168.40.12. 40.12 is not working, so we need to check why it is not working. What is your IP? Your IP is IP config 10.11. So let's try to do troubleshooting here also. 192.168.10.1. You are pinging your gateway, okay, but when you ping 192.168.40.12, destination host unreachable. So do we have 40.12 or not in our destination? 40.11, sorry, not 40.12. Here is 40.12 we have. So this should ping. Why it is not pinging? We need to check. So 40.12 is not working. So destination host unreachable. So let's see here. I will write show IP root. Again, roots are not present. There is some issue, I think. Again, OSPF is not working. Just now roots are coming. Something wrong here. Maybe in the packet tracer we have the issue here. IP OSPF 1 area 1 area 1, everything is area 1. Then why it is not working? Let me check here. Area 2, here is area 2. Something wrong with this topology, I think. Something wrong with the packet tracer. Let me save everything and reload the router again. Okay, you want to try this one, you mean? Hello.